Right, hi folks, hope you're all well. This is it, it's finished. I have done the D.Modelkits 124 scale Sierra RS Cosworth. What can I say? I thought the Manta to begin with was better. The Modelkits kit was really good, but bloody hell, this has really knocked it out. The finish of this kit was absolutely spot on. It's come together really good at the end. It's just like everything dropped into place. I'm chuffed. I'm over the moon. Anyway, on with the video. Hope you're all well. Have a great day. Look after yourselves. Please like and subscribe to the video. I'll see you soon.
Okay, here we go. First thing I had to do was get the windows glued into the body. That was done using glue and glaze. Then we took the interior parts that we did in the previous video, glued that to the chassis. That went very well. Then we mated the body onto the chassis. The back went in really easy, but it had to be manipulated to get to the front on properly. But by now it was really starting to take shape. Had to flip the car over, fit the side exit exhausts and a few underbody accessories. Then we just fitted the side sills and the front and back bumper, and it was more or less done. What a model. Absolutely, what a brilliant model. I cannot knock it at all. It's been a brilliant kit to put together. Hats off to D.Modelkits for it. I did car number 15, which was the car that Malcolm Wilson drove on the 1991 Monte Carlo Rally. My main reason for doing this was thinking that the vast majority of people are going to do the car that was the top finisher for Ford that year, which was Francois Delacour. He finished third, but as people may or may not know, Malcolm Wilson later went on to start M Sport, which is the company that does the Ford Works rally cars now. So there we are, bit of history, and it's just been one of the best models I've built to look at. Been absolutely brilliant. Paints, I used number 5 for the body colours, 0 paints for the clear coat, Tamiya paints for a lot of the interior parts, a mix of the enamels, the acrylics, some of the lacquer paints, and as you can see on the final photo, there was a nice metal aerial to put on the top of the roof to give it that final look. Big time. Loved this model. Enjoyed making these videos. I hope you've enjoyed watching them. If you have, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about my channel. They may like it as well, and the more people like and subscribe, the more I get noticed by YouTube. Simple as. Again, thank you very, very much, and I wish you all a very good day, and I hope you're all well. Thank you to D.Modelkits for making such a brilliant model. I have got another one of these to make, and I'll do that a bit later on. But the next kit I think I'll be building will be Nigel Mansell's Ferrari. I've just got it out of my stash. The decals look all good. Let's get this done. Hopefully it turns out half as good as this. I'll be happy. Cheers for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.